Hello everyone, my name is Amit Chaudhary. I am a senior support consultant at Even Solutions. Here I am going to show you how to drop and recreate all the SmartList Builder store procedures. So here we are. First, you need to log in with the GP with SA or Dyn SA login. So once you log in with SA and Dyn SA, go to the Dynamics GP at the left hand side top corner, go to the maintenance and go to the SQL. It will open the window SQL maintenance. You have to select the database Dynamics, change the product to the SmartList Builder, which is scroll down. Here you are. Select the company as Dynamics. Select all of the object like Control A. Select all of it. It will show you how many objects are selected at the bottom left, and then you have to choose the drop auto store procedure and create auto store procedure. Do not select drop tables or create tables, otherwise it will delete all your custom smart list that you have been created and you will lose the data. And so once you have selected this drop and recreate, just click on the process. It will take maximum like 20 seconds to do all of it. We'll wait for to finish. Yeah, you're done.